Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making shrimp and veggie stir fry in banana sauce. So let's get started. We're gonna start by making our sauce. In a small bowl, combine soy sauce, sesame oil, hoisin sauce, banana sauce, and cornstarch. Mix well and set aside. Next, add 1 tablespoon of oil and butter to your skillet at medium-high heat. Cook shrimp on each side for about 2 minutes until shrimp curl and become opaque. We're gonna cook it in 2 batches, guys. Transfer shrimp to a plate. Then we're gonna move on and work on our veggie stir fry. Heat up oil and butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add garlic. Saute for 1 minute. Then add your stir fry vegetables. With this recipe, guys, you can use any stir fry vegetables of your choice. We're gonna saute this for 2 minutes. The vegetables I'm using today, I got them from Aldi. I'm using teriyaki stir fry. They also have noodles in them. Next, we are going to put the shrimp back into the skillet. Add sauce. Then cook for about 2 minutes until sauce is hot and the shrimp and veggies are deliciously coated. This is one of the easiest recipes out there, guys. It's so quick and totally delicious. It only takes 10 minutes from start to finish. There you have it, guys. Shrimp and veggie stir fry in banana sauce. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.